Hello students, today we are going to start with the third and last type of differential equations, that is linear differential equation. Now what is linear differential equation? A differential equation in the form of dy dx plus py equal to q, where p, q are either constants or function of x only, is called a differential equation. So this is one type of differential equation. Another type is dx dy plus px equal to q. dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p, q are constants or functions of y only. Okay, so there are two type of differential equation. Okay. Now in both cases, first what we will do, what are the steps? Very important. What are the steps? First of all, whatever be the form, either this or this, you identify the p and q. What is p, what is q? I told you p in this form, p, q are function of x only. In this form, p, q are function of y only or constants. After finding the p and q, the next step you will do, you have to find the integrating factor. Now what is integrating factor? E to the power integration of p dx. This is the integrating factor. Now you do the integration. After doing the integration, come to the general solution. What is the general solution? Y into if is equal to q into integration of q into if dx plus integrating constant. Okay. From now, if we do this integration, we can get the general solution. Now let's come to the sums. See, the first question, ISC 2005, tan x dy dx plus 2y equal to sec x. See, our form is what? Our form is dy dx plus py equal to q. Means nothing will be multiplied with dy dx. Okay. So whatever in any question, if there is any quantity here, then first step we will do, we will remove this by dividing throughout by this quantity. So here also we are doing that, dividing throughout by tan x. So what we will get? Dy dx plus 2y tan x, 2y by tan x equal to sec x by tan x. So if we compare with the standard form of the differential equation, that was dy dx plus py equal to q, what we got? We got that p is equal to 2 by tan x. Okay, don't take y. You remove the y, you will get 2 by tan x. And here the entire thing is q. So q is what? Sec x by tan x. That will give us cosec x. Okay. So integrating factor is what? E to the power integration of p dx. Now what is p? 2 by tan x. So e to the power integration of 2 by tan x. Now you know integration 1 by tan is cot. So 2 e to the power 2 log sin x, because you know very well integration cot x is what? Log of sin x. Now this 2 will come to the power and it will become e to the power log sin square x. Now keep in mind e to the power log fx, you just keep this mind, e to the power log fx is equal to fx. E to the power log of fx is equal to fx. So this e log cancelled and we will get sin square x. So now what is the solution? As I told you, so y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So what is y? Y is okay. If is what? Sin square x, integration of cosec x into sin square x plus c. So after that you will get this one cosec is what? 1 by sin. So one sin will cancel. You will get just integration of sin x dx, that is minus cos x, and this is the whole solution. Okay. Now let's come to this. Next sum. E to the power 2x dy dx plus 3 e to the power 2x y is equal to 1. Now both the terms are having e to the power 2x. So we can take common, and afterwards we will get dy dx plus 3y is equal to e to the power minus 2x, because this will go in the denominator. So what is p here? Here p is 3. And what is q here? Q is e to the power minus 2x. So p is 3, q is e to the power minus 3x. So now do the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power 3 dx means e to the power 3x. If you multiply it, y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. This just keep in mind, this is a general rule of solution of linear differential equations. So y into e to the power 3x is equal to e to the power minus 2x into 3x. So what will I get here? Just e to the power x, and integration is e to the power x. So this is our general solution. Okay. Now let's come to this point. One more sum. X square minus 1 dy dx plus 2xy is equal to x square minus 2 by x square minus 1. Now we have to remove this term. Okay. So what we will do? We will divide throughout by x square minus 1. So what will I get? Dy dx plus 2x by x square minus 1 y. Why? Because this is p, and 2 by x square minus 1 whole square. Okay, because there was already 1 x square minus 1 and this multiplied, so we got the whole square. So what is p here? If you remove the y, 2x by x square minus 1, and this is q. Now integrating factor is what? E to the power integration p dx, that is integration of this. So by simple class 11 integration, you can do this integration. You just take the substitution of x square minus 1 as u or whatever, you will get e to the power log x square minus 1, e log cancelled, x square minus 1. So what is the if? Our integrating factor in this sum is x square minus 1. Now come to the general solution. So y into x square minus 1 is equal to integration of q into x square minus 1 plus c. And if you, after doing the integration, okay, you can simply do the x square 1 by x square minus 1. Now you can apply the formula 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, and this is the sum. Okay. Now next sum, ISC 2010. See, y plus log x dx minus x dy equal to 0. Now from this we will first find the value of dy dx. So dy dx minus y by x equal to log x by x. So what is p? P is minus 1 by x, and q is what? Log x by x. So as we have seen, we have to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is what? E to the power integration minus 1 by x dx. Now 1 by x is, you know very well, log x, and this minus will go to the power minus 1. This minus will go to the power minus 1. It will become e to the power log x to the power minus 1. E and log cancel, and x to the power minus 1 is what? 1 by x. So what is our integrating factor? 1 by x. Now general solution rule, I told you, y into if, this is nothing, integration of q into if dx plus c. Okay. So y into x to the power minus 1 is equal to integration of log x into 1 by x. Okay. Now here let us take substitution. Let log x equals to u. So 1 by x dx equal to du. Now this x, now what will be x? If u equal to log x, then x is what? E to the power u. Now you see, for log x it is u, 1 by x dx is du, and this is what? E to the power u. It will go to the numerator and it will become e to the power minus u. Now we have to integrate this. So apply the method of integrating by parts. From integrating by parts, you can simply integrate it. Now they have told to find the particular solution. They have asked that when y equal to 0, x equal to 1. Now put y 0, x 1, and you will get the value of c as 1. So this is the sum. Okay, students. Now let's come to this question. One more. 2018 sum. Sin x dy dx minus y is equal to sin x into tan x by 2. So as we can see, there is an extra term here. So divide all by. So what is p? P is minus 1 by sin x, that is minus cosec x, and q is tan x by 2. So we will find integrating factor e to the power integration cosec x dx. Now you know very well, that is what? Integration cosec x is what? Tan x by 2. Now because of this minus, it is becoming 1 by tan x by 2. Now put the factor. So here this c, this will cancel. You will get only integration dx. Okay. So and you will get, this is the general solution. So in this video we have discussed about what is the linear differential equation and seen some sums. I am sending some more sums and see them and practice more and more. Okay students, that's all for today.